Good morning, dear students. Today we will start exercise 2.5. Yesterday we have done exercise 2.4. So there is this some identity related to this exercise. Identity number 1, identity number 2, identity number 3, identity number 4. Then thereafter identity number 5, identity number 6, and identity number 7, and last one is identity number 8. That means 8 identities are there. These identities, you can say, these are formulas. Using these identities you have to solve this exercise. Okay, so we are starting exercise 2.5. Before this you all have to learn that identities. I am sending a image format of these identities. You have to write these identities from this image in your notes. Then thereafter you have to learn it. Okay, I am starting exercise 2.5. Question number first. So question number first is x plus 4 in bracket and x plus 10. So see which identity is useful for this question. uh, in identity number 4, x plus a, x plus b equal to x square a plus b x plus ab. दैट मीन क्वेश्चन को देखकर ही अपन को समझ जाना है कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यूज होगी. सो सी क्वेश्चन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x प्लस a and x plus b is there. So we can say that we know that the formula x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This is the identity number 4. So we know that by the identity number 4, this form x plus a and x plus b is the given in the question, and we have to write the answer in this form. So comparing by this identity, we will have comparing by above identity, we have what we found in by comparing. So value of a equal to 4 and value of b equal to 10. Now in RHS, see there are, what is the RHS? X square plus a plus b x plus ab. So we have to putting value of a and b in this identity. So x plus 4 x plus 10, which is equal to what? X square. That means x square, in the place of a and b we have to put 4 and 10. So 4 plus 10 x, as it is like x is in the formula, I written there x. Now a into b, nothing between a and b, that means there is the multiplication between a and b. So we have to write 4 multiply by 10. Now solving this, x square plus 4 plus 10 equal to 14x plus 4 10s are 40, which is your answer. Okay, this is the first question's answer. Now there is the total 5 questions is there. Now I am solving question number 4th. In question number 4, we have y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. That means a plus b, a minus b. A is the same, b is the same in the both places, and plus and minus is different in both the brackets. So see, question number 4 is related to the identity number 3, x square minus y square equal to x plus y, x minus y. So we know that x plus y, or we have taken there a plus b, a minus b, क्योंकि यहाँ पर y ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, इसलिए अपन एग्जाम्पल सॉरी आइडेंटिटी में a प्लस बी ले रहे हैं. तो a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. वी नो दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now comparing these LHS part by this given question. So compare LHS by given question. We have what we have. See, value of a equal to y square and value of b equal to 3 by 2, because in the place of b is there 3 by 2, there is also b is in the place of b 3 by 2. So putting in RHS, so put these values a equal to y square and b equal to 3 by 2 in RHS. So a square minus b square means value of a is y square, and there is the square of a, so I putting once again y square, then minus sign between them, and the value of b is 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 whole square. Now y to the power 2 and to the power 2, that means 2 to 4, 2 to the 4 minus, because there is the bracket sign and the meaning of the bracket, that means we have to multiply these two exponent. So 2 multiplied by 2 equal to y to the power 4. Now 3 square upon 2 square, I expand this exponent, so y to the power 4 minus 3 square, that means 9, 3 3 is 9, and 2 square, that means 4, which is your answer. So by this type of identity you can use, and you can easily solve question number question number 5th. 4th and 5th will be solved by this identity. 4th one I solved, and 5th one will solve as it is like question number 4, and 2nd and 3rd will be solved like question number 1st. Then question number 2nd and 3rd is your homework, as like 1st, and question number 5 is also your homework, and this is solved as like question number 4, this like. Okay, now question number 2nd, evaluate. What we have to evaluate, there 3 questions are there. So 103 plus 107, 95 plus 96, and last one is 104 multiply by 96. So question number 1st, see which number is nearest, that means we add to get 103, so 100 plus 3 we can get easily 103. Similarly 100 plus 7 we will get 107, and multiplication sign between them, so I taken bracket between in both the pairs. So we can easily expand this by the formula. See, there is the x plus there is the x plus a and x plus b, that means x is similar in both the places, so we take an identity number 4, x plus a x plus b equal to x square plus ab x plus ab, just like question number 1st. Since we have the question is in the form of this 100 plus 4 and x plus 4 and x plus 10, and there is 100 plus 3, 100 plus 7. So putting the value of there is the value of x is 100, so put the value of x 100 square plus 100 plus 7, and the value of x is 100, and a into b, that means a into b, that means 3 into 7, because in the place of x is 100, in the place of a is equal to 3, and in the place of b is 7. After solving this equation, this expression, you will get the answer of this question. So this is also your homework, and in this question we can write 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. So which identity we can use there and write your solution there. This is also your homework, and in question number 2nd we can use 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4. Okay, this is also now can solve by the identity number 1 2 3 between 1 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so solve these questions by yourself, and if you face any difficulty in solving, get back to me. Okay, thank you. Next day we will start question number 3rd.